The last minute surprises are here. We are 5 days away from the official Galaxy S25 Unpacked event. Things are getting spicy. Finally, Samsung's biggest mystery is now solved. Before we begin, whether you are buying the Galaxy S25 series or not, one thing you should do is to click the link in the description and get instant $50 Samsung credit with a chance of even winning $5,000. Don't miss this out. Alright, so what's the big mystery? Well, we now finally know how slim the Galaxy S25 Slim is. Not just that, we have our first real look at Samsung's one-of-a-kind slim flagship phone. Samsung really has done it, as Galaxy S25 Slim is just 6.4mm thin, which is extremely slim. For comparison, the S25 Ultra is 8.2mm thick, so S25 Slim really is remarkably impressive. As for the design, it's looking very similar to the Galaxy S25 and the S25 Plus, but don't get confused because the camera setup is similar to the S25 Ultra minus the long periscope zoom. As for its release date, the S25 Slim will come out in May of 2025, which is quite a bit after than the normal launch of the standard Galaxy S25 series models. Now, more official images regarding the Galaxy S25 series has been leaked, so what you're looking at is the full official camera specs for these phones. Again, something we already know, but now it is triple officially confirmed. We are indeed getting the new 50 megapixel ultra-wide-angle sensor on the S25 Ultra. Along with this, Samsung will be marketing those One UI 7.0 features, particularly the Now Bar feature is easily one of my favorite features on the One UI 7.0, and it's gonna get completely unleashed on the Galaxy S25 series. Speaking of software, more Galaxy AI features are here for the S25 series, starting with YouTube Notes. Apparently, you can make a summary of any YouTube video and then add this to your Samsung Note app. You're also gonna have built-in music search, so you can search for any song or singer. Homework AI, which sounds like a great tool for students, helping you solve any equation. Also, one of my favorite Galaxy AI features, which is sketch to image. This is about to get an even bigger update thanks to the generative AI edition. Yes, according to Samsung's new teaser image, you can basically do a drawing, then use voice or text to generate your image. Also, Samsung dropped another Galaxy AI teaser, basically showing how Bixby is about to get a pretty massive update.
Hey, I'm off to the next meeting, but I need to find an Italian restaurant.
Outdoor seating, pet friendly, of course.
Can you send that to Luca? Oh, and can you put it in my calendar?
As you can tell, that was a very complex request, something that the current Bixby can't do, but with Galaxy S25 series, Bixby is going to be deeply integrated, pretty much helping you with anything you need in the most powerful way. And last but not the least, it seems like there's a very good chance that Samsung has actually downgraded the S Pen by removing the Bluetooth feature. With this, you won't be able to do those air gestures or use that remote camera clicker functionality. Now, why is this happening? Well, this may have something to do with the new G2 wireless charging standard on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, or it could be simply because Samsung is cutting cost and maybe removing these features because they don't get used that often. It's also possible that S Pen might utilize UWB for its functions, and we don't know how that's gonna work, but yeah, currently it seems like there's something happening with the Galaxy S25 Ultra's S Pen, and it's gonna be significant. I would love to hear your thoughts about that in the comment section below. So yeah, the S25 series is on track. We're just about 6 days away from the official announcement. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.